Hello, so it's my day off, and I am going to the mall to find just to get a massage. I don't have any appointment. I just thought of it. Let's see if we can do walk-in. My neck is very tight, and that makes like my like this part of my neck hurts, and I was trying to massage it and I felt like it's the muscle there is tight. So let's see if we can find some walk-in appointment for a massage. No na, so 5 minutes na ako sa mall. Ano kadali, it's so easy, huh? And manulod na ta, let's go in the mall. So nakikita there in an industry prices. This one is the first one, Healing Hands. But let's try. Maybe we can just go here. Healing Hands. Let's see. Do you have anything for appointment for media massage today? Do you do health rebate? Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. I'm here now. It's my first time. I'm a bit, I don't know. But let's see how it goes. Maybe it's good. But I don't know. The place is just curtains. But let's see. Maybe the therapist is better. Let's see. Oh my god, so review. I survived. It was a remedial massage. So it's $85 for 1 hour, and then you pay $5 for the oil. So in total it's $90, but I had it under insurance, which I had a little bit of discount. Anyway, my attendant was Lily. She's very good. She identified all my knots and pain on my neck and then upper back, and then the scapula area. Oh my god, I twisted, I turned, I cried while she was working on those muscles.